I'm Itzol Tóth. I'm a cancer survivor and the president of the Mellow Flower Foundation in Hungary. Welcome to Olivia. Olivia has been created by the European Society of Gynecological Oncology, ESGO, the European Network of Gynecological Cancer Advocacy Groups, ENGAGE, and AstraZeneca as a part of our ovarian cancer commitment to support everyone affected by ovarian cancer, whether you are living with ovarian cancer yourself or are caring for someone who is. I will leave it to Olivia to tell you how she can help you.
Hello and welcome. I'm Olivia, your guide in learning about ovarian cancer. I know this is a challenging time for you and your family, and I'm here to help. This website contains a lot of information, so I recommend getting relaxed and comfortable, making yourself a cup of tea or coffee, and taking your time as you explore. You can always come back whenever you need to. If you have just been diagnosed, I recommend you first read my Guide for Newly Diagnosed Patients. Here you'll find articles that could help support you during the first steps of living with ovarian cancer. This section also contains some medical information to help answer any questions you might not have had time to ask your doctor about yet. Next, you could visit the Stories page. Everyone whose life has been affected by ovarian cancer has their own story about their experience. I've asked my friends to share theirs with you. I hope you can take some comfort from seeing that you aren't alone. This section will expand over time, so please come back and check out new updates. As your own experience with ovarian cancer evolves, your needs will change. So I've created the Ovarian Cancer Pathway to help you understand everything that's coming. Just click on the link titled About the Pathway, which is split into 4 parts. If you have just been diagnosed or want to refresh your understanding of the basics, go to About Ovarian Cancer. This section of the pathway contains information about the science behind ovarian cancer and how it's diagnosed. If you are currently undergoing treatment or are just about to start, then primary treatment could be more useful for you. Many of you might worry about surgery and chemotherapy, but I hope I can support you in learning what to expect. If you've already finished primary treatment, ongoing care could help you think about what comes next. The physical and emotional effects of ovarian cancer can follow you into remission, so I hope these articles help you to feel more prepared for the future. Finally, if your ovarian cancer has returned, you may have questions about how your treatment experience could change. The recurrence section should provide a good starting point for discussions with your healthcare team. The ovarian cancer pathway section you select will be highlighted in yellow. Scroll across the visual pathway to access each topic, and once you reach the end, you'll be able to move on by clicking the Next Section button. At any point, you will be able to view the full pathway, which will give you quick access to each of the pathway's areas. If you are stuck or need some help, please click on the Need Help button for answers to frequently asked questions. I know there's a lot to take in, so go at your own pace. You don't need to read everything all at once. I understand that there's more to ovarian cancer than medical information. It can affect many aspects of your life, and some of the articles in the Living with Ovarian Cancer section could help you to understand more about the impact your diagnosis can have on your family, work, fertility, and menopause, and what you might be able to do to cope. Finally, the Resources page can direct you to additional educational materials and a directory of patient advocacy groups that can offer you even more personal guidance and support closer to home. If you're not sure how to find what you're looking for, scroll down to the Questions section of the homepage, or click the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner to search for keywords. Thank you for watching. I will be here as often as you need me, and hope that our website will be an ongoing source of support to you throughout your experience.